What if I told you that just because your hair has refused to grow does not mean that you should cut it or relax it because you are getting frustrated? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one very powerful herbal mask that I use on my hair to keep it healthy, keep it growing, reduce excess breakage, excess shedding, keep my scalp clean and well moisturized, and also keep my hair clean and well moisturized. You can hear all the benefits that I'm calling, right? We are going to be working with henna powder as the main ingredient. Henna is already a powerful thing to use on your hair. The next ingredient is 2 eggs, and then I'm also going to be adding green tea to this. You can use any brand of green tea that you have, or if you don't have green tea, you can use black tea like Lipton. And our final ingredient is olive oil. I love olive oil for my own hair, and it works amazing for natural hair and even relaxed hair. This mask is very easy to do. You'll start by steeping your tea bags into hot water like I am doing here. Do it as if you want to make the tea for drinking, but instead of using a teacup, you're going to use a bowl that you can allow it soak. Once that tea is extracted, it should look like this. You're going to take out your tea bags, and then we can start mixing in the rest of the ingredients. I ended up using 2 tea bags because of how full my hair is. I didn't want to run out of mask in the middle of applying the product or the mask to my hair. If your hair is big and full like mine, you want to use enough tea bags to reach all of your head. Next, I'm adding in my henna powder. Now, I like to freestyle my ingredients when I add them into liquid. You can measure, or you can just use, your mind and pour in the amount that you feel will be enough for your whole head. That is what I do whenever I want to pour in this ingredient, because in the past, whenever I tried to measure, most times I will end up measuring, and when I'm done making the mask, whatever the product was, it won't be enough for my whole head. And imagine trying to apply products to your hair and it finishes and leaves you. You now have to stop and start making a new one. For this particular mask, it's impossible to make a new one in the middle of applying to your hair, because you are going to allow this mask to marinate for 48 hours before you even apply it to your hair. Yes, you need to leave the mask. That after you have mixed everything, you're going to leave the mask for the henna and everything to come together very well for 48 hours. Next thing I'm adding in is 2 eggs. Now, adding in the 2 eggs gave this mask an extra boost, and so I ended up with a very, very rich protein mask in addition to the henna. So remember, I told you guys that you have to leave the mask for several hours, 48 hours to be precise, before you apply it to your hair. That is how I make and use this mask. It's not one of those masks that you can make and use it in 5 or 10 minutes. You need to leave it so that all of the ingredients can be extracted into the mask. And when you apply that mask to your hair, you now get the full benefits. We are going to get into the benefits of this mask in a bit, but adding in olive oil helped to reduce the stain from the henna. If you know anything about henna, you know that it's always stained. It is that thing that is used to design beautiful patterns on palms or body parts, especially by Indian women. So I observed that when I started adding in olive oil to my mask for my hair, it reduced that stain. And so at the end of the mask application, my hands were not stained and they were not yellow. Now that we are done mixing, I'm going to cover my mask, tie it in bags like this, and allow it marinate for 48 hours. Now, let us quickly talk about the benefits of this powerful mask. The first thing is that this is an intensive repair mask because of the eggs that I added. Eggs add in high quality proteins and biotin that repair hair damage, rebuild keratin bonds in the hair, and significantly reduces excess hair shedding. The next thing is that this mask acts as an antioxidant. Green tea, the ingredient I added into this mask, contains powerful catechins like EGCG. that stimulates the hair follicles, fight oxidative stress, and soothe scalp inflammation. And then we have the olive oil that I added, and it acts as an emollient, meaning it penetrates the hair shaft to seal in moisture, smooth the cuticle, and eliminate frizz. Frizz is that roughness that your hair always feels like. It feels like you cannot get rid of this thing. It feels like anytime you do your hair, anytime you wash your hair, no matter what you do, even when you apply product, even when you blow dry, the hair just feels rough. So a mask like this is going to eliminate that rough feeling. Very quickly, before I get to the final benefit, before I apply my mask and masks in general, I like to divide my hair or section my hair and then spray some water to each section before I twist that section. What this does is that it simplifies the process of mask application. One thing I hate is mess. I don't like struggling to part my hair, moisturizing it one by one, spraying water on that section, applying mask, and then having to move to part the next section. So when you do it this way, that means you are taking it step by step. You are going to part and section the hair and leave it, detangle it if you can. The reason I'm able to comb my hair here, and you can see how slow I am with the combing and detangling, is because I had added in some product to my hair, like a moisturizing butter, and then I used some gel actually to do one hairstyle before I had to divide and use this mask on my hair for deep conditioning after. So doing it this way simplifies the whole process, and I do this for my whole head so that when it is time to apply the mask, I just loosen each section one by one and apply the mask straight up. I don't waste any time, and I make less of a mess this way. If you are like me and you hate mess, this is the method you should be following. So look at what my hair looks like. I lost very little hair as a result of following this process, and I really love breaking it down like this. Ever since I discovered this method, I have literally not gone back. The final benefit of the mask, enhanced henna delivery, is what you get. Usually with henna mask, henna has no slip whatsoever. So when you apply the henna mask, you will struggle to separate your hair. You will struggle to detangle your hair. You will struggle to even apply the mask to your hair. And because of this, the mask may not be distributed evenly to all parts of the hair. But because of ingredients like the olive oil and the egg, specifically the egg yolk in the egg, this distribution of henna is more even, and that makes it better. And because of this as well, it prevents that drying effect that people experience when they apply henna alone to the hair. So you can see just how beneficial this mask is for hair growth. You can use this whether you have short hair, whether you have long hair, whether your hair is natural, whether your hair is relaxed. And some key things to note is that when you apply this mask, you have to use gloves. You can see that my fingertips in the gloves are a little yellow. That's the gloves. My fingers, the glove part of the fingers are yellow. If you don't use gloves, you are going to stain your hand, and before that stain washes away, it will take forever. So make sure you use gloves. I already gave you guys the pointer that when you make this mask, you have to leave the mask to infuse or marinate for 48 hours. Now, when you apply the mask to your hair, you have to leave it in your hair for anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. Before, we used to say leave mask in your hair overnight, but you don't necessarily have to leave this mask in your hair overnight or for a very long time. 2 to 4 hours is good enough. And now this is the kind of mask that you don't have to use on your hair every week because of how intense it is. So you can use this mask once a month or once every maybe 4 to 6 weeks. You don't necessarily need to do this every single week. But if you're feeling very challenged, or if you just want to see just how much your hair will grow, you can do this every week and see, and then come back and report to me. It's not like your hair will fall off. It's not like you will lose all the benefits. Your hair will grow and it may even grow better than you expect. That's it. These are the kinds of masks that you should be using on your hair if you want massive growth, if you want to shock people with how much longer and thicker your hair becomes. Use masks like this. I know we always argue that too many DIYs are available on the internet. Everybody is showing you something to do. The truth is, DIYs work. I am living proof. This is what my hair used to look like, and then I started using DIYs just to see what will happen, and my hair completely changed. And I am not the only one. So many of us switched to using DIYs, switched to doing our hair products from our kitchens using ingredients we already have, and we have all seen phenomenal growth. Once your hair starts growing well like this, everybody turns to ambulance saying wow, 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 up and down, asking what you use, even if they may not use the same thing. But trust me, once you start using DIYs and you start seeing results, you will be motivated to keep going. So go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have used henna before, if you've done a henna mask before. Let me know how it went. Let me know what you added to your mask, because I'm sure all of us didn't add the same ingredients to our henna mask to make it and use it. So go ahead and let me know what exactly you used. Let me know how long you left your mask on for. Let me know if you even let your masks marinate for the 48 hours like I did for mine. And any other detail that you feel will help somebody else, go ahead and comment it below. But for now, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you try this mask the exact same way that I make it, come back and let me know how your hair feels after you have applied it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment to support. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.